What's up, everybody? This is Chairman7 here, and today we are going to be taste testing Doritos Flamin' Hot Lemon chips. I always open the bag. I tried one. They are spicy, but see what you guys think. Okay. And also I have a Gatorade with me. So, and this is, and pretty much both of those are from the gas station. Okay, see what they taste like again. See what they taste like all over again. They do have a nice kick to it though. Okay, now we got that kick. They are made out of corn, vegetable oil, sunflower, canola, or corn oil. Maltose extract, bacon corn, salt, citric acid, sugar, monosodium glutamate, artificial color, red 40 lake, yellow 6 lake. Hydrolyzed corn protein, potassium glyceride, yeast extract, sodium diacetate, cheddar cheese, milk, cheese cultures, salt, enzymes, natural flavor, onion powder, whey, garlic powder, Romano cheese, cow's milk, cheese cultures, salt, enzymes, buttermilk, whey protein concentrate, the sodium inositate, and the sodium guanylate. That is what they're made out of. So they do have a good kick to them. Blind Ambs, you should try these. You should do a taste test with Ryden. Brian Ambs. You have to do a taste test with Ryden about these chips, because these have a great kick to them. But you can do you can also do the Doritos Flamas too. Also do those and you'll pretty much be good. And also do the Takis. Okay, and that's all you have to do. You just have to taste test those 3 with Ryden. That's just Andy's son, and see what you guys think about them. And they do have a good kick to them, so watch out. be quite honest, they do have a good kick to them. Not kidding. They do have a good kick to them. And pretty much I gave you 3 choices. And also you can get all 3 of them. The Takis, the Doritos Flamas, and the Doritos Flamin Hot Limos. And you can try them. And you can do a taste test or something like you do like Ryden. And that will be pretty good. It's good. That will be good. But they do have a good kick to them. Those chips, those Doritos Flamin Hot Chips Limos, they do have chips. Yeah, they do. Well, you feel the hotness on my tongue. And there you go, everybody. Those were the Doritos Flamin Hot Limos Chips taste test. I hope to see you next time. Peace out.